Hello, my name is Cliff Moore. I identify as an apple tree. My pronouns are seeds, apples, and trees. Instead of sharing what I do, I'd like to give you my self-reflection as an apple tree. And if I'm successful, you won't look at another apple tree, an apple pie, or me the same again. When I think of myself on my entrepreneurial journey, I see it as an apple tree. I am mature, deeply rooted, and bearing the fruits of experience and weathered many storms during my 40-year business journey. Deep roots. Like an apple tree's roots that dig deep in the earth, I've planted myself in many ventures. My deep roots come from my experience in owning restaurants, publishing, and retail shops. As a diversified entrepreneur and business professional, I offer my experience, knowledge, successes, and failures to people afraid of getting out of their comfort zones to succeed personally or professionally. Diverse roots. Beyond merely providing apples, the tree offers shade, often creates a habitat, and marks the annual seasons every year. Similarly, in 2009, I launched the brand of me as a resource to enrich lives and unlock the potential of individuals as their coach, mentor, and partner. My leadership roles in various chambers of commerce and community organizations highlight how I've mentored and tried to show others how to give back to the community. Apples. Every connection I've made, every venture, and every experience I've embarked upon is an apple in my tree. Yes, unknowingly to you, you are an apple in my tree. Just as every apple holds the essence of the tree's growth and environment, each of my apples represent a connection, a story, a lesson, or a potential opportunity. Seasoned wisdom. The apple tree was created by nature and acts like a time clock to the seasons, going from dormant winters to fruit-laden summers. I too have weathered the seasons of the business landscape, faced its challenges, and celebrated its success as well as failures. Each season has added to my bank of wisdom, much like a tree's annual growth ring in its tree trunk. My guiding mantra, what you know is important, who you know is more important, but most of all, who knows what you know is most important. That reflects the apple tree's growth, branching out and spreading its seeds, emphasizing the harmony of knowledge, networking, and reputation. Legacy and seeds. As a seed from an apple tree promises new growth in future orchards, I hope my teachings, books, online courses, and shared ventures inspire the next generation of entrepreneurs and business leaders. The apple tree is truly a symbol of my journey and dedication to the growth and development of people and the community around me. Each of you has also grown an apple tree. Much like the unique apples from different trees that created a delightful apple pie, our collective experiences can blend into something extraordinary. Let's combine our journeys, your apples with mine, and write the recipe for a pie by sharing our knowledge and growth. Together, we can cook up success that's rich and fulfilling as the most delicious apple pie. Contact me for an in-person or virtual coffee, and let's share each other's ingredients and write the recipe for a new apple pie. Who's ready to bake with me?